Today we are going to start discussing regarding the gametogenesis. You already know that. What is meant by the gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the one, it is a formation of the gametes. It may be the sperm or the ovum, whatever it is. Combined together, we say that that's a gametogenesis. Gametes are always formed in the gonads, as you know that already. Gametes are two types, the male and female. And also you know that gametes are always haploid in nature. In the gametogenesis, we observe the two kinds. As you know that it is a very simple, that is one is called as the spermatogenesis. That is regarding formation of the sperms. And the second one, we say the oogenesis, that is regarding the formation of, we say that is a ova. It is a process of formation of sperms, we say it is called as the spermatogenesis. The process of formation of egg, ova, is known as oogenesis. I hope it is clear for you. Now we are moving to the first one concept, that is called as the spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis includes two phases. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. The one is, we are saying, formation of spermatids, and the second one is the spermatogenesis. What is meant by the formation of spermatids? It's a very simple. I have written here, the spermatogonia get converting into the spermatids. What is meant by spermatogonia? We are saying that it's a sperm mother cell. You are going to be getting in the testis. As you know that, the seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule ಅಲ್ಲಿ epithelial cells ಆ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಮದರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. These spermatogonia, sperm mother cell, get converting into an spermatids. The process we are seeing that formation of spermatids. And the second stage is one, we are saying it's called the spermatogenesis. The spermatids are formed, nothing but they are not matured sperms. These unmatured, the spermatids, are remained attached with the Sertoli cells. As you know that, Sertoli cells are nourishes these sperms. During spermiogenesis, these, that means from the spermatids, they get converted into the sperms. We are saying that spermatozoa. Spermatozoa antunu ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, sperm antunu ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is the process. The spermatogonia get converting into a spermatids. In the spermiogenesis process, these spermatids are get converting into a spermatozoa of the sperms. In the examination, they are always asking that write the schematic representation of spermatogenesis. I am showing here the schematic representation of the spermatogenesis. It is a very simple. We start with, that is a spermatogenesis. You know that the spermatogonia, it is always diploid in nature. In the beginning, the mitosis occurs. This mitosis is going to be helpful to increase the number of cells, sperm mother cells. Okay? We say it starts the multiplication phase. So, mitosis occurs, number of cells are formed. And here we are going to be considering that this one is the primary spermatocyte. What is spermatocyte? Spermatocyte is the cell that produces the sperm or mother cell. We are saying that sperm mother cell. We are saying spermatocyte is the primary one, the first one. This primary spermatocyte undergoes the first meiotic cell division. First meiotic cell division and produces the, see here, this is the stage important, the diploid is get converting into haploid. Remember, the primary spermatocyte is the diploid one and the secondary spermatocytes after the first meiotic division we are going to be getting that haploid cells. These secondary spermatocytes undergoes the second meiotic cell division and forms the spermatids. 4 functional spermatids are formed. Remember, in male, all these 4 cells are functional one. So very important. See, after the formation of the spermatids, I already told these remain attached with the Sertoli cells. From that, the maturation takes place. What happens that? The process we are saying that spermatogenesis. What is that spermatogenesis? The spermatids are get converting into an sperms or spermatozoa. The process we are going to be saying that spermatogenesis. Okay? You observe that one more word is there here. That is spermiation. It's a different from spermatogenesis. Spermiogenesis ಗಿಂತ ಇವೆರಡು different ಆಗಿದೆ. Spermiation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What is that spermiation? Spermiation is the one releasing the sperms into the tubules. Tubules ಒಳಗೆ sperms ಗಳು release ಆಗುವುದನ್ನ after maturation. After that, releasing from that means detached from the Sertoli cells. These sperms are released into the lumen of that seminiferous tubule, cavity of that one. The process we are saying that spermiation. Dear students, here so many one word or one mark questions are arising in this concept. Remember, I will tell you what is spermiogenesis, what is spermiation, what is gametogenesis, what is spermatogenesis, what is oogenesis, okay, like that. And the mitosis meiosis concept, what is primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte. These are all one mark question. Please concentrate, so that's going to be helpful to solve the or to score for you. Okay, I will continue towards the structure of the sperm. You observing here the structure of the sperm. Draw and label the structure of sperm. It is a common question. Every time they would be asking regarding that one. Practice in your home to draw the structure of sperm. Sperm is going to be having the 4 regions. You observe here, that is you are seeing the head, the neck region, medullaris and the tail region. We divide it into 4 parts. Usually the length of the sperm is 60 micron in long and the sperm is enveloped by the plasma membrane. As you know that already it is having 4 regions. I will start with the head. Head is the one, it is an oval shaped one with nucleus and the top of that one, the cap like structure, we say it is called as the acrosome. Acrosome ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, this acrosome contains the Golgi complex. So in that there is a presence of lytic enzymes. This acrosome plays very important role at the time of penetration into the ovum. Please give the concentration for the lytic enzymes. Okay, then after the head, there is a neck region. It just connects the head to the middle piece. The middle piece is the one. There is a presence of axial filament. It runs from the head region. That means the neck one axial filament, and there is a presence of mitochondria and with the cytoplasm. These mitochondria are playing a prominent role because it supplies the energy for the movement. So we are saying that for the sperm motility. For the sperm motility, it requires the energy. That energy is supplied by the mitochondria. And after that, you observe in the talar region. So there is a presence of central axial filament. It runs up to the head in the talar region. Very simple structure. The head region, neck, middle piece, and the tail region. Head only acrosome is the most important factor, and there is a presence of nucleus that contains the chromosomal material, whatever it is. The material is present here. And there is a neck region. The middle portion, there is a presence of mitochondria and the tail region. This is the structure of the sperm. Usually in one ejaculation or at the time of coitus, the 200 to 300 million sperms are released for the fertilization. The best fertilization, we are going to be saying like that. At least 60% of the sperms must be the normal. Remaining 40%, okay, but whatever it is. But for the better fertilization, 60% should be the normal. This is about the spermatogenesis. Okay, this is about the structure of sperm. I hope it is clear for you. For the spermatogenesis, it's most important one. We always concentration, and always I told you that it is not the physical task. It is also the mental one. What is that mental one? So that is one ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Because for all these formation of the sperms or the whatever it is, there is a involvement of the certain glands. That means hormonal action is also there here. Now we are going to be seeing here what is the role of hormones in the spermatogenesis. Okay, I will start with here hypothalamus. As you know that usually in the pituitary, so usually in the brain, this hypothalamus is a part of that one. It secretes the gonadotrophin releasing hormone. The gonadotrophin releasing hormone is the one that secretes the hormone that acts on the pituitary gland. So especially on anterior part of the pituitary. This anterior pituitary starts its action and secretes the two kinds of gonadotropins. These two are known as, one is said to be LH and second one is said to be FSH. LH is the one, it is a luteinizing hormone, and FSH is the one, it is a follicle stimulating hormone. Student, you be concentrate here, LH and FSH. Both are present in male and as well as in the female. LH is the one, this luteinizing hormone starts action over the Leydig cells. You know that where Leydig cells are there, that is interstitial spaces. Interstitial spaces are the Leydig cells. These Leydig cells are start secretion of the androgens. So those androgens stimulates the spermatogenesis. That stimulates the spermatogenesis. It is the hormonal action. On the other side, FSH is the verb. It is a follicle stimulating hormone. This FSH acts on the Sertoli cells that stimulates the secretion of the factors for the spermatogenesis. See, remember, this FSH acts on the Sertoli cells that is going to be helpful for the spermatogenesis. It is a separate question. Write the hormonal action over the spermatogenesis. You are going to be drawing this picture schematic 1 and you start explaining. It's a very simple one. Okay? Hypothalamus, the brain, there is that is secretes the gonadotrophin releasing hormone. It acts on the pituitary gland, anterior especially. Two gonadotrophins are formed, FSH and LH. Luteinizing hormone acts over the Leydig cells. In turn, secretes the androgens are going to be helpful for the spermatogenesis. And FSH is the one, it acts over the Sertoli cells, in turn helps for the spermatogenesis. This one is the hormonal action for the spermatogenesis. Students, I am very in brief because you already observing the board videos, so that I am in very brief. I am concentrating over the test or giving the questions regarding the important questions regarding your examination. I hope please follow, if possible, if possible, the channel is subscribed again. That's going to be helpful for you. Okay, and for me also. Bye.